Hi there guys, today is 2nd of August 2024. I'm in Center Paris near Champs-Elysees and you can see how amazing it is looking around us. You know, towards there is the Concorde side for BMX and cycling, and towards straight there on the right you have Grand Palais where you have escrime, the fencing. And I'm just giving you a 360 degrees view to see and admire how Paris is looking during the Olympics. So let's go towards the Concorde site. As you can see, the barriers are all over. Security is quite tight as we are approaching the Olympic site located at Concorde, and it is just amazing the amount of people which are gathered here, which are roaming around. The display of the flags, the whole stadium, how it's surrounded, and how the ambiance is right now in Paris. There is huge number of cycles which are being given out for rent, as they prefer that people use cycle instead of taking the cars and the motor vehicles, just to avoid pollution and traffic jam in the center. You have small food trucks like these selling hot dogs and burgers, just to make it very practical for tourists to eat while they're walking and roaming around in Paris. Guys, right now I'm in front of the official boutique of Paris Olympics. But behind there you can see the Concorde, the policemen for the security, and on the right you have a big Paris boutique where you can buy your souvenirs, everything related to the sports, Paris, tourism, everything. And you can see how lovely it is. Everything is moving, people are all over enjoying. Right now I'm in front of Grand Palais here, where you have sports like taekwondo and fencing taking place. Later I'll be going there. And the whole environment is just so amazing, so thrilling, enjoying every bit of it. Guys, so right now we are in front of the Grand Palais. As you can see how beautiful, majestic it looks. Outside you have all these, entrances with the Paris print, Olympic Games, Paris print with pink and blue boards on this. And in front of the Grand Palais here on the left you have Petit Palais, where you have the beautiful restaurant inside, which is for free to go to, but you have to pay once you're inside. Everybody who's coming to Paris can go there, something people don't know about. And the whole road is closed, as you can see. It's just reserved for the pedestrians and the cycles. And yeah, inside the Grand Palais you have the championships like taekwondo and fencing. I'm not going inside because apparently the tickets are, first of all, very expensive, and second of all, they're coming online at the very last minute. But anyways, I'm gonna try showing you everything from outside and enjoying the whole place. Paris Olympic Games 2024. So guys, as you can see, the roads all over Paris are empty. They're all restricted. No traffic can come in, no cars, no buses. Everything is reserved for pedestrians and the cycles. Right guys, right now I'm standing on top of Bridge Alexander in Paris. As you can see, right on the left you have all the seating arrangements which they have prepared for the opening ceremony of Paris, which took place on 26th of July 2024. The Seine River, the River Seine. On the right as well you can see the seating arrangement. The opening ceremony was here. The closing ceremony will take place in Stade de France, that is French Stadium, located near to the Paris Olympics village. And here you can see the flags of roughly 206 countries who are currently participating in Paris 2024 Olympics. Right guys, right now we are in front of Invalides Stadium where archery is taking place in Paris. As you can maybe hear the crowd screaming there inside the stadium. You can see how the people are around, how they're dressed up, you know, all in their national teams. You can see the Eiffel Tower just behind there. On the right we have Pont Alexandre, that is Alexander Pope's bridge with the flags as I just showed you before. And yeah, just trying to give you a 360 degree every time I'm filming so that you can really enjoy what's happening right now, how it's going, the Olympic Games here. The roads are closed as I was showing you earlier as well. Everything is closed except for the cycles and the pedestrians and some special vehicles for Olympics. Otherwise, yeah, you won't be seeing a lot of vehicles here in Paris. I hope you're enjoying it right now, the video till now. Don't forget to subscribe as I would like to, you know, bring more of travel and fashion related videos later. Yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying what I'm seeing. In center of Paris. You have different cooling stations like this which Paris municipality has built up everywhere. You can sit and relax and protect yourself from sun. Just advising everybody to drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. And we are in front of the Invalides Archery Stadium and you can see people are also practicing their archery skills on a smaller scale, of course. They're enjoying themselves. And yeah, profiting from the whole Paris Olympics environment. There are free public toilets in every nook and corner so that people don't, you know, pee anywhere. You have free drinking water facility too where you can fill your bottles so that you guys can keep, you know, yourselves hydrated. You can see volunteers like this in every corner of Paris. They are there to guide people, to give information so that people don't get lost. Just, you know, keep them updated about all what's happening. These are special cars which are reserved for the players and certain officials of Paris Olympics. It's a Toyota. So right now we are walking Quai d'Orsay in the 7th district of Paris from Alexander Bridge towards the Eiffel Tower. Right now we are standing at Quai d'Orsay, very near to the Eiffel Tower, and this whole passage, as you can see in front of me, is reserved for the cycle race which will be happening in roughly 2-3 hours from now. So it's all reserved. You can see the security around, which is usual, as we are all surrounded by Paris Olympic sites. We are in the middle of the city. The security is quite tight. People are walking all over, going to the different venues, and yeah, waiting for the cycles to come. A quick glimpse of Museum Quai de Branly as we are walking towards the Eiffel Tower. So guys, we are finally arrived in front of our lovely Eiffel Tower. You can see the Olympics rings on the Eiffel Tower and the crowd gathered around. Around Eiffel Tower you have Olympic sites which are hosting beach volleyball competitions. And yeah, on the right you have the cyclists coming in roughly half an hour. So as you can see, the whole alley is empty and people are surrounded it. Exciting is building up because this is the final race today. And yeah, we are at the bottom of our lovely tower. Eiffel Tower is also called La Dame de Fer in French. So you can see how people have gathered around, enjoying the place, enjoying the competitions, enjoying the vibes we get out of these final competitions here, the excitement. I hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Paris Olympics 2024. Inside the stations you have assistants like this who will assist you in finding the right direction for the metro. So it's quite well organized inside the metros as well. Right guys, behind me the Champ de Mars stadium where wrestling is taking place right now. With this I'm going to be finishing my today's video on Paris Olympics. I hope you like the venues we have covered in Paris, and I hope you like the entire vibe which you felt during watching this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.